Okay, hello everyone, how are you doing out there? This is Goodison Gamer with another video. This time I bring you a New Zealand story. This time on the Commodore 64. I just reviewed this game on the Nintendo. It was quite good actually. So now let's see how it plays on the Commodore 64. Nice music by Mr. Jonathan Dunn here in the background. He's one of the best musicians of the 8-bit era. So I have to push upwards here on my analog stick for jumping, and one button is for firing. So here we go. And the first button and the only button is for firing. Oh shit! Oof. So far so good, I must say. I'm liking this. Yeah, the look of it looks good for a Commodore 64 game. So let's see if I can get anywhere in this game. It seems to be quite a little bit more difficult than the Nintendo. The Nintendo version was very generous when it comes to... Ah, for fuck's sake. Yes, come on. Yes. Let's see if I get it. Yeah, it was very generous when it comes to continues and all that. Let's see here. Yeah, that was second level done. Cool. These backgrounds can be a little bit difficult to see the enemy firing. They just blends into the... Go, let's take this. Hey! And collision detection is a little bit of a bastard here. It's not fair all the time. But I have managed 2 levels. Come on. It's a little bit on the difficult side, I must say. Come on, what happened now? You bastard. I have to start all over. Where should I jump? Can I? Hey! Where should I go? I don't understand. Perhaps I should jump, take off. Yeah, give that to me. Let's see if I can get up. Ah, come on, it hit me. He just hit the platform I was standing on. Yeah, it's a little bit of an annoying, I must say. How? Come on, they just show up, enemies. They don't give me time to react so much. So where do I start now? Yeah, I have to start from the beginning. I'm not liking that actually. It could have been really good if it was a little bit more fair actually. This is a little bit too blooded for me. Let's see, one more time I should try here. This first level is quite easy actually. But it's a good game. One needs to practice. That's the key to success here. You cannot just jump into the game and be good at it. But it can be rewarding once you get the hang of it. Okay, let's see if I can... There you go, thank you. Let's have that one. Yeah, let's get up here. Yeah, But I like the story actually of this game. I don't know the plot, so I cannot really say that, but it's a cool premise. Little bit trippy this game actually. So. Okay, now I'm here again. But okay, Gab, come on, the bastard. There you go, give it to me. Thank you. Okay, now I got it, okay. Hey, don't shoot at me, you little... Ah! There you go, please. Leave me alone, I want to finish this level. Ah, this collision detection is a bastard. Can I please finish this level at least? I would be happy, and I would say it's a success. Okay, I need a flying platform again. Give that to me. Okay, here it comes. Come on, it's not that easy. Okay, here it comes. Where are you, flying platforms? I need you. But I just shoot them down. Yeah, it's a little bit annoying actually. I have to wait till they come down. No. What is that? But I just shoot down the platforms. It is annoying. Thank you. About time. It took like 2 minutes. Hey! This is dangerous. Hey, go down, go down, go down. Okay, now we're here. Okay, yeah, it follows the pattern of the game that I just played. No. Okay, let's go up here, here. Aye. You bastard. Ah, I was so close. But never mind. Yeah, I'm gonna give this game a 6 out of 10 as well. It's a bastard with this collision detection actually, and it's a little bit on the tough side actually. So I do prefer the Nintendo version. Yeah, much easier. But this is a good version. One has to practice, so it's alright. So I'm gonna, yeah, 6 out of 10 it is. So there you go. Thank you for watching everyone. Take care out there and have a good one. Goodbye.